3rd. Along with the very active and dynamic Vice Mayor, the Honorable Ivy Durano. Also with us tonight is the current Provincial Administrator, former Congressman of the 5th District of Cebu, former Department of Tourism Secretary, Attorney Ace Durano. We would also like to acknowledge the presence of Dr. Nikki Catalan. We would also like to say hello to our...
Ang usa ka espesyal kayo nga mensahe gikan sa gobernador sa katawan, the People's Governor, Governor Pamela Pam Baricuatro.
Maayong gabi kaninyong tanan. Sus, kanindot di ay sa inyong karansak. Excellent na kung kita ni Mayor Nico dito sa Kapitolyo o ni Vice Mayor Ivy. Mingon ako, tara na, magkaransa na ta. Unya, nakadungog ko nga nakadaog mo sa sinulog. Karong tuiga. Gusto mo appeal sunod tuig? Ang province, mutabang ninyo. Ang province, sunod tuig, appeal ta sa sinulog. Grand Sinulog? Yes, thank you kayo og Happy Fiesta og Viva Señor Santo Tomas de Villanueva.
Daghan kayong salamat. Thank you very much, the People's Governor, Governor Pamela Pam Baricuatro.